Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of electronics and soldering. In today's video, we're excited to share with you the top 5 soldering stations of 2023. A reliable soldering station is a must-have tool for any electronics enthusiast or professional. It provides precise temperature control, safety features, and ergonomic design to ensure clean and efficient soldering. Whether you're a hobbyist, a DIY enthusiast, or a professional technician, finding the right soldering station can greatly enhance your soldering experience. We'll be reviewing each soldering station's features, temperature range, heating elements, durability, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision. So, grab your soldering iron, sit back, and join us as we dive into the world of soldering stations. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information. And as always, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest electronics reviews. Let's get soldering. Starting at number 5, the YIHUA 899D2 soldering iron station is a versatile and feature-rich tool that combines a hot air gun and soldering iron in one unit. With its fast heat-up, precise temperature control, and convenient features, it offers an excellent soldering experience. Equipped with a one-button operation, this soldering iron station quickly switches between hot and cool air modes, providing flexibility for different soldering and rework tasks. The LED digital display shows the temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, allowing for easy monitoring and adjustment. The YIHUA 899D2 features fast heat-up capabilities, allowing you to start working in a short amount of time. Its constant temperature stability ensures consistent performance throughout your soldering projects. With the auto manual sleep mode, the soldering iron station enters sleep mode automatically when not in use, saving energy and extending the lifespan of the heating elements. The compact and lightweight design adds to its portability and convenience. Temperature calibration, cool/hot air mode, and other functions enhance the usability of the YIHUA 899D2. It offers precise temperature control, making it suitable for various soldering and rework applications. Overall, the YIHUA 899D2 soldering iron station is a reliable and efficient tool for soldering and rework tasks. Its multifunctionality, fast heat-up, constant temperature stability, and convenient features make it an excellent choice for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals alike. At number 4, the SUGON T3602 soldering station is a powerful and efficient tool designed for rapid heating and lead-free soldering. With its double-station design and low power consumption, it offers convenience and reliability. Featuring a LED digital display, this soldering station allows for easy temperature monitoring and adjustment. It offers a temperature range of 200–450 degrees Celsius, 212–842 degrees Fahrenheit, providing versatility for different soldering tasks. The T3602 is equipped with a fast power heating system, ensuring rapid heating within 2 seconds. This feature saves time and improves work efficiency, making it suitable for professional use. With its double-station design, the T3602 offers flexibility and convenience. It requires less than 5% power to maintain a constant temperature of 300 degrees Celsius, reducing power consumption and extending the lifespan of the soldering iron tip. Whether you're working on small electronic components or larger solder joints, the SUGON T3602 delivers reliable performance. Its lead-free soldering capabilities make it suitable for various soldering applications, including electronics repair, circuit board assembly, and more. The SUGON T3602 soldering station is a durable and efficient tool for soldering tasks. Its rapid heating, low power consumption, and double-station design make it a practical choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. At number 3, the SUGON T21 soldering station is a reliable and versatile tool suitable for both beginners and professional-level users. With its programmed chip temperature control and innovative features, it offers quick heating and precise soldering capabilities. This soldering station boasts a maximum power output of 120 doi, providing ample heating power for various soldering tasks. The temperature range from 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius ensures compatibility with a wide range of soldering applications. The T21 features a temperature power display and heating percentage display, allowing users to monitor and adjust the temperature with precision. The adjustable bracket provides a 45 degrees angle range, ensuring comfortable and flexible operation. The soldering iron tip can be quickly heated in just 2 seconds, thanks to the programmed chip temperature control. The automatic sleep function activates when the handle is placed on the bracket, saving energy and extending the soldering iron's lifespan. With temperature compensation, mechanical short-circuit protection, and standby temperature settings, the SUGON T21 offers enhanced safety and convenience. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, and its compatibility with JBC soldering iron tips and temperature welding rework stations adds to its versatility. Portable and lightweight, this soldering station is easy to carry and store. The remote temperature control on the handle allows for convenient adjustment, making it suitable for various welding scenarios. Overall, the SUGON T21 soldering station is a reliable and user-friendly tool for soldering and maintenance tasks. Its quick heating, precise temperature control, and compatibility with various soldering iron tips make it a valuable asset for both beginners and professionals. At number 2, the JCD Rework soldering station is a versatile 2-in-1 tool that combines a hot air gun and soldering iron. With dual LCD digital displays, it provides precise temperature control and offers a space-saving design with low noise operation. The soldering iron features an 80W output and a wide temperature range from 180 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, allowing for efficient and accurate soldering. The ESD design ensures safe operation, making it suitable for delicate electronic components. The hot air gun boasts an output power of 750 doi and a temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. It delivers a maximum airflow of 150 liters/min, making it ideal for various rework tasks such as desoldering, heat shrink tubing, and more. The JCD Rework soldering station is equipped with intelligent self-detection, ensuring safe and reliable operation. It also features an automatic cooling function that helps prolong the heater's life and protects the hot air gun. With its compact size and ergonomic design, this soldering station offers convenience and ease of use. The dual LCD digital displays provide clear temperature readings for both the soldering iron and hot air gun. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, the JCD Rework soldering station is a reliable and efficient tool for all your soldering and rework needs. Its combination of a soldering iron and hot air gun, precise temperature control, and self-detection function make it a valuable addition to any workshop. At number 1, the AIFEN A902 soldering station is a precision integrated welding station that offers high power and versatility. With its dual station design and compatibility with various heating elements, it is suitable for different soldering needs. Featuring a 350W high power output, this soldering station ensures quick and efficient heating. It is compatible with C115, C210, C245, and C470 heating elements, allowing users to tackle both small and large solder joints effectively. The station's dual bracket design allows for adjustable angles, providing added flexibility during soldering tasks. It also enables the simultaneous use of 2 handles, which can be closed independently for convenience and speed. One of the standout features of the AIFEN A902 is its temperature control system. Utilizing a program chip, it offers fast and accurate temperature control, allowing for precise soldering. The automatic sleep function puts the station into sleep mode when the handle is placed on the stand, saving energy and extending the iron's lifespan. With temperature compensation, mechanical short-circuit protection, and other functions like temperature calibration and key lock. This soldering station offers a comprehensive and user-friendly experience. Overall, the AIFEN A902 soldering station is a powerful and versatile tool suitable for both beginners and professionals. Its precise temperature control, dual station design, and various functions make it an excellent choice for a wide range of soldering applications. Thank you for watching our product review video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.